But how long? 5, 4, 6 years that you've been away from the business?
Since that I've been away from the business, magmula nung huli kong show. Mga magsi-6, pero dito sa bansa, 5.
5. Okay. And of course, everybody is asking, lalo na ngayon na tayo nag-uusap, saan ka napunta? Where were you? What were you doing? What was happening?
Sa Australia po.
Australia?
Oo,
Okay.
sa Australia ako. So, doon ako nanirahan ng 5 taon. Na hindi planado, pero yun ang nangyari, kaya in-embrace ko na lang siya.
Anong ibig sabihin ng hindi planado?
So, nung 2019, pabalik-balik ako doon because my husband, who's my boyfriend at the time, is based there.
Alright.
And nagkataon lang na nandun ako para sa birthday niya. Kakadating ko lang with one suitcase.
Okay.
And then
And you're talking about Sydney?
Sydney, yes.
Australia. Alright.
Oo.
Okay.
Just for his birthday. And then, siguro mga 2 or 3 days after ko dumating, nag-close yung borders. Nag-lockdown na everywhere. Ang aking mga matatalik na kaibigan, sila ang nag-pack ng mga gamit ko at nagpadala sa Australia.
Sinong mga kaibigan ang nag-pack ng things mo at ipinadala sa Australia? That's interesting.
Rian was one of them.
Oh.
Yeah, like she would do video calls with me. And ganun siya, do you want this? Do we pack it? Do we donate it?
We're talking about
Do we
Rian
throw it?"
Ramos.
Oo,
Okay.
ganon. Yung patience niya talaga. At yung isa pang tao, yung isa kong best friend, si Franco Saicon. So they helped me pack up my life and make sure na nalagay yung mga gamit ko sa container at napadala sa Australia na pabalik na dito ngayon.